All right, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to the 12 days of Christmas giveaways. I apologize, I have not been updating this. Friday, I was working all day. I had to do some detail work on a Rolls-Royce Cullinan, a Bentley Flying Spur, and a Lincoln Navigator. And then after that, I went to a different customer's house and worked on a Lexus and a Jeep. So that day I was just dead, so I apologize. And then yesterday, Saturday, I drove out to Las Vegas in the morning, was there for about an hour picking up a car, and then drove back. So again, I was dead, right? So, but don't worry, we're gonna get back on track. We still have to announce the winner of the day 5 giveaway, which was from Buff Bright products. They're for real kit, really cool stuff. And then day 6 was the Car Glow prize pack giveaway. So we'll be announcing both of those here shortly, and then we'll be announcing day 7, day 8, and day 9 giveaways, so that we get all caught back up here, and then I'll continue daily. So first things first, though, let's go ahead and run the disclaimer. There's always, every time I do giveaways, there's tons of scammers that pop into the comments, and they'll have my normal YouTube picture or whatever else, and it'll usually, the title will be like text me at Telegram or something like that, and they'll write you and say that you won, or I have something for you. And those are scams, guys. Typically what they do is they say you won, and then they ask for money for shipping. These are giveaways. I do not ask for any money for shipping or anything. So if you do get one of those comments, I do my best to try and weed them out, but they pop up so fast, it's insane. So I can't always weed them out. But just know that's not me. I'm barely responding to any of these comments, just because they are just, comments to get entered. So I will announce the winners on camera, and that is it. So if you get one of those comments, don't fall for it. Don't send anybody any money. Now, let's go ahead and get into the giveaways. The Day 5 Buff Bright products prize pack goes to Doc Ma's Auto Detail. So congratulations to you. Now, let's jump into Day 6 giveaway real quick for the Car Glow prize pack. And that went to Andrew Benuelos 5314. So congratulations to both of you guys. For the Buff Bright pack for Doc Ma's, email me at joshv@dtlrsupply.com, so dtlrsupply.com, and just write in the subject, write day 5 winner, and then for Andrew, put day 6 winner, and give me your shipping information so I can get those out to you guys. Now let's move into the day 7, 8, and 9 giveaways. Day 7 is going to be from Aero Tags. Guys, this is the company that I was introduced to from my monthly glove box subscription, where they send out a bunch of different products every month, so you're able to test out new stuff. And in this case, right, I was introduced to a really cool brand that I did not know about before. So what they make is, everything's made in the US. They make these little wooden blocks, and then give you scents that saturate that wooden block. It's kind of a more all-natural style air freshener, and they last 48 times. The whole kit will last up to like 48 times longer than your traditional little hanging air freshener. Good girl, I got my pup right here down here with me. So really cool prize packs. I think they're kits, so you get the block and a 2-ounce bottle, I believe 60 mils of the scent. I think they retail for 25 to 35 bucks, if I remember correctly. They're going to be giving away 5 kits to 5 different winners. So all you have to do is comment down below and write Aero Tags if you want to be entered in for that giveaway. And then also go over to my Instagram page for an extra chance to win. I'll have a picture of the prize pack. Comment there, and that'll increase your chances to win. Day number 8 now. So thank you. Before we go on to day number 8, I want to say thank you to Aero Tags. After I did that video on the glove box subscription, they reached out to me and they're like, hey, we're really glad you were able to find us. So good job to Glove Box for doing that service. But yeah, the products are super cool, made in the USA, and they smell fantastic. The one that I got was, oh man, I can't remember the scent off the top of my head, but it was the one that came in the Glove Box subscription. It smells really good. If you guys can hear that, that is my kids riding around in their quads, little electric quads. So I apologize if that's loud. Okay, moving on to day 8 giveaway. This will be from Adams Polishes. So thank you to everyone over at Adams for sending me these products so I can give these out to you guys. The first one for day 8 is going to be the Adams foldable garage cart. This thing is incredible for multiple reasons, right? For me as a mobile detailer, this thing's incredible because you can actually, I throw it in my truck or my van, go to the customer's house, I get to work, and I can pull this thing out, set it up. I can set up all my products so it's all right there with me. When I'm done, putting everything back in my van, fold up the cart, it stacks away nice and easily. And for those of you that work out of your garage, or just, you know, just out of home, this thing's fantastic because it doesn't take up a lot of space. Hi, babe. So you can get your work done and then just fold it up and just tuck it away, so it's not taking up a bunch of space. Really, really cool. That thing is valued at $130. Once again, I will post a picture of it on my Instagram page, so you can comment there for a chance to win. And then also on this video, you can comment foldable cart, and that'll give you a chance to win for that one. Then moving on to day number 9, so that we're all caught up. Again, this is from Adam's Polishes. So thank you again, guys, for sending all this stuff out. And this one is going to be their premium detailing cart. This one's valued at $230. And this one I actually use in my shop. It's a hard plastic. It has holders for your polishers, for chemicals, all that kind of good stuff. The top has perforated holes, so it drains out. Really, really nice cart. This isn't their newest pro detailing cart that they released at SEMA, but it's the one that they've had out, and it's awesome. I really, really like it. Again, valued at $230. So again, for a chance to win this one, comment on this video, premium detailing cart, and then go over to my Instagram and comment on the picture of the premium detailing cart. So that's it, guys. I apologize once again for falling behind on this. It's just those 2 days were crazy, but we're back on track. I will announce the winners for all, so that we have 2 days of comments. I'll release the winners for all 3 of these. Today is Sunday. I'll release I'll talk about the winners on Tuesday. Tomorrow I will be back with another giveaway. We won't have any winners tomorrow, but we'll just announce the next giveaway as well. So that's it, guys. Again, don't get scammed, but thanks so much for watching. Make sure to follow Arrow Tags as well as Adams on Instagram as well, because they're really awesome for contributing to these giveaways. So that's it. Hope that helps you guys. Please make sure to like the video, make sure you subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and we will see you on the next one.